Good morning, children. Let's learn about another interesting lesson from our moral science book. Lesson number 10, Decision Making. We all make decisions all the time. There is a need to be resourceful to be able to make decisions also. We should take a proper right decision at right time. Decision making is a step forward to solve problems also at any age. Let's learn about decision of a young boy that saved the lives of many people from this story. Far away there was a place in Holland where the ground was lower than the level of the sea. That means sea is higher than the land. The people built great thick walls all around the country, and the walls kept the sea out. To protect themselves from the water surrounded by the full area, they constructed a great wall. Okay, the wall used to support all these people to live very safely. Everyone was extra careful about the wall. Even the small children knew that an accident to one of them meant a serious problem to all the people there. A little boy, Hans, was playing with his younger brother near one of the wall. Suddenly, the little brother called out, "What a funny little hole! It's bubbles!" The small boy saw some bubbles are coming out of the wall. Hans came running to the wall to see the hole. It was as tiny as it could be. A drop of water bubbled slowly through it. The boy knew it was serious. He looked around, but nobody is there to see this problem. Slowly, that small hole may become big and complete water may come inside the wall also. So it is a very dangerous situation to everybody over in that place. Instead of wasting time, he stuck his little finger right into the hole. He has taken a decision that he just put his finger in the hole to stop the water coming from the outside. He told to his little brother to go to the town and tell the people about the situation, that water is coming from a small hole. The child ran as fast as little legs could carry him. So he ran very fast. In the meantime, Hans sat there with his finger blocking the hole tightly. He could feel the water push against his finger. He could hear the sound of water beating against the wall on the other side. But he is very stable. He seemed a kind of battle, the water pushing through with all its might and the boy blocking its entry with all his determination. It was a long time when his hand began to feel numb due to the cold water. That means that his finger became numb and he unable to sense any other things. The people were nowhere to be seen. The water pushed from the other side continuously. The poor boy began to frighten, but no one could reach him in time. But still he could not fail. He is dependent on him. So he put his finger like that in the hole and waited for a long time. And then he heard a shout. The men were coming towards him, shouting to him to be brave and to hold on just a bit more. So meanwhile, many people came there and they said, "Okay, please wait for a while. We will solve the problem. You are very brave boy," they said like this. Soon the people reached him and freed him from the task. They mended the hole in no time at all. Everyone hugged Hans and shed tears for the gratitude. They lifted the numb hands on their shoulders and took him back to the warmth and safety. Hans, the hero of the Harlem, was welcomed and loved by all the people there. If he would not taken that decision and if he didn't do that task properly, the people of the Holland would not be alive to see another day. So, because of his decision making in a proper time and his determination to solve the problem, the complete day and the complete situation has changed and he saved many lives in that place. So children, what is the moral of the story? At whatever the age you are, you should make proper decision to handle a situation in a correct way. I hope that you all understood this story very well. So let's go and do the worksheets. First bit, question and answers. First question, what was the purpose of the wall around the town? The ground was lower than the level of the sea in the town, so the people built a great wall to stop the water coming out of the city. Second question, How did Hans' little brother notice the hole? The little boy noticed small bubbles were coming out of a small hole. Third question. What decision did Hans take in the very seconds? He has taken a decision to stop the water from the hole by putting his finger inside it. Fourth question. In what condition did the men find Hans? The people find the boy with a frightened face and his fingers are numb due to the cold weather. Fifth question. Why is Hans known as the hero of Haarlem? Answer. Hans became the hero of Haarlem because he saved the lives of many people by just taking the proper decision in a correct time. See the B bit. Hans' decision put his life in danger. So was it a good decision? First answer. Yes, he has taken a good decision because he put his life in danger, but he solved the problem with no time and he saved the lives of many people. Second question. Who benefited from his decision? The people in the Holland benefited because of his decision. Third question. What would you do if you were in Hans' place? Even I may also would think about to stop the hole or to fill the hole with something. So children, I hope that you all finish this worksheet. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.